Hello everyone, welcome back to EuroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in Gate Solution. And in this lecture, we will solve a problem in structures. You can see this question was asked in Gate 2013. A channel section of uniform thickness 2 mm shown in the figure is subjected to a torque of 10 Newton meter if it is made of a material with shear modulus 25 gigapascal. The twist per unit length in radian per meter is. Okay, they have given a C section or a channel section, and the dimensions are given 300 millimeter and the height is 600 millimeter. Here also 300 millimeter, and the torque is 10 Newton meter, and we have a shear modulus of 25 gigapascal, and we have a constant thickness of 2 millimeter. They are asking to find out the value of twist per unit length. Okay, the options are 0.12 to 0.13, 0.14 to 0.16, and 0.13 to 0.16, and final option 0.12 to 0.15. Okay, so we will solve this problem. This is very important problem, and also it's very easy. We have the general equation of it's a general torsion equation. Tau by r is equal to g theta by L is equal to T by J. Okay, here tau is the shear stress, R is the radius, G is the shear modulus, theta is the angle of twist, L is the length of the shaft, T is nothing but the torque, applied torque, and J is the torsional constant or polar moment of inertia. It is mainly torsional constant. So from this equation I can write equation number 1. So from equation number 1 I can write theta by L is equal to T into T divided by G into J, where G is the shear modulus, J is the torsional constant, and T is nothing but the applied torque, and we have the value was 10 Newton meter, and G is 25 gigapascal. We don't have the value of J. Okay, so for a thin walled section, the torsional constant J is equal to B T cube by 3. This is an important formula. For a thin wall section, the value of torsional constant is equal to bt cube by 3, where b is the total length and t is the thickness. Okay, so the total length here is 300 millimeter plus 600 millimeter plus 300 millimeter. The total length, what the value of b is equal to 1200 millimeter, or we can write as 1.2 meter. Okay, so I will find out the value of J. J is equal to B, that is 1.2 into thickness is 2 millimeter, 2 into 10 power minus 3 the whole cube, the whole divided by 3. So I can write this as 0.4. This can be getting cancelled. This will be 0.4, 3, and this will be 0.4. 0.4 into 8 into 10 power minus 9. So finally you will be getting 3.2 into 10 power minus 9 meter power 4. This is the answer for J. Okay, now we have this equation theta by L is equal to T by G into J. Okay, so I can write theta by L is equal to, the value of T is 10 Newton meter. So 10, the value of G is, that is shear modulus, is 25 gigapascal, 25 into 10 power 9. Okay, and the value of J is 3.2 into 10 power minus 9. So this 2 getting cancelled, so I will be getting 10 divided by 25 into 3.2 is approximately 80. Okay, so I will be getting 1 by 8. Theta by L is equal to 1 by 8, and that is equal to 0.125. Okay, so this is the answer, and options are A, we have B. So option A will be the correct answer, that is 0.125. You have option A is between 0.12 to 0.13. Therefore the correct answer for this question is option A, 0.12 to 0.13. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. We will continue same in the next lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.